Hello, dear friends. We were discussing on Dr. Satish Tripathi's convocation speech on putting data to effective use, a great challenge. For the course of your education, I suspect you have heard enough advice to last a lifetime. But you have the patience for one more piece of advice. I would like to share a few principles I have learned and lived by over many decades. Principles I think of as timeless. I hope they will serve you well as they have served me. Principle generally plays an important role in almost every successful person's life. And that's why the principle played same role in the life of Dr. Satish Tripathi also. He has a cognizance of giving principles to others and patient listening of the students also. Generally, people used to give advice without asking for the same. So, the advice can be conveyed to that the students are tolerable, they are quite tolerable, they are able to tolerate all the advices given by many people in their lives. And that's why here Dr. Satish Tripathi requests them to hear one principle that served him very nicely in his lifetime. So the first principle is this: set long term ambitions, but always be ready to change course. I know that each of you has set a very ambitious course, and many of you are well on your way down this path already. I applaud your bold ambitions and initiatives. Generally, the students of IIT have already decided their aims and objectives in their education period. And that's why he says that he knows that the students of IIT have already decided their path, their ways, their ambitions. But it is quite essential to be ready to accept the present chance or present situation to turn your life successful. Set long term ambitions, but always be ready to change course. You must change you must be able to change your ambitions also according to the situations. At the same time, I would caution each of you not to be so fixed in your intentions that you close new doors before they open. We should not be fixed on one target. We should not be fix ourselves in one title or one heading or one aim. We must be able to change our title, change our priorities, change our ambitions according to situations, so that the doors of other opportunities should be open for ourselves. It is critical to cultivate a degree of intellectual nimbleness, so you are ready to seize the new opportunities when it comes along and ready to create your own opportunities. Unless and until you are flexible, there will not be the chance of new opportunities to come to you. So, you can take the advantage of the new opportunities and set your life accordingly. So I was a college student myself when I first understood the truth of this. When Dr. Satish Tripathi came to know the situation, the reality of this, he was in the college. I come from a long line of educators and I have been focused on education most of my life. But I never would have envisioned that one day I would have an opportunity to lead a major North America research university. So, leading North America Research University was not my aim at the time of the college. I just tried to accept the opportunities I received in my lifetime period. As a young person, I hoped through hard work and perseverance that I might one day become a high school principal. To becoming a high school principal was the aim and target of Dr. Tripathi. Following in my father's footsteps, my father was also a principal of a high school, and I would have taken great pride in that achievement. But other opportunities presented themselves along the way, and I am grateful to the mentor and peer who encouraged me to pursue them. There are a lot of people, there are a lot of friends with us while we are taking an education. There are many opportunities knock your door also, but a good peer team and good mentors must be there who can guide you in a proper way so that you can get the right opportunity at the right time, as happened with Dr. Tripathi, because his mentor, his peer was sound and intellectual. They guided him a proper way to get the opportunities and go forward. That brings me to my second principle: be self respect, but always seek out the opportunity to learn from and with others. Self respect is quite important thing, no doubt at all. But we should respect to others also, the opinions of other people, the seekings of other people. You should learn how to learn from others. What the guidances and what the suggestions are given by other people or your friend is also quite important in making your life successful. So, do not disrespect to the opinions of other people. That should be mildly, that should be honestly listened and, if possible, implemented in our personal life. As a college students in India and later as a graduate student so as I found that the opportunity to exchange new ideas and discoveries with other intellectuality, curious, energized students helped to shape my path in profound and lasting ways. You should not forget that many people, knowingly or unknowingly, helping to you during your journey. You have to concentrate all these common efforts made by other people and should respect them in a proper way so that your path, your aim to be achieved. So there are many energetic, curious, and intellectual students in the way of Dr. Tripathi who helped them to get a proper path and profound and lasting ways. India's great institutions, including yours one, have produced top leaders in the academy, in the professions, and in business and industry today. The opportunity you have had to engage with some of these great thinkers will surely open up new horizons for you as it did for me. This is a very nice institution. IIT Kanpur is a very nice institution. This institution creates global leaders in various fields so that the education is sound with you. The educationists are with you to support you, to guide you in a proper way. The opportunity you have had to engage with some of these great thinkers will surely open up new horizons for you, as it did for me. That happened in the life of Dr. Tripathi also. It was a common effort of the management of IIT Kanpur that the scholarly people to be invited to motivate the students of the college, and that happened in the times of Dr. Tripathi also. He was also benefited from these scholarly speeches and lectures of scholarly personalities. So I am firm believer that the truly big ideas and important discoveries take place at the intersections of fields. They involve many minds working together, approaching the same problem from different angles. He personally believes that truly big ideas and important discoveries take place at the intersection of fields. There should be an intersection in the fields. They involve many minds working together, approaching the same problem from different angles. There are many problems in the world, but how you look towards these problems differently is quite important, and that attitude, that opinion makes you different. So mind it well. Your approach should be different from others. Your approach should be uh, alienated. Your approach should be uh, quite different from a regular approach. So time will treat you differently, and success will be in your foot. Remaining part of the extract, remaining part of the speech of Dr. Tripathi, we will see in my next video. Thank you.